How to fix DaVinci Resolve not responding or crashing. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the DaVinci Resolve not responding or crashing problem. So first of all, you need to ensure your computer meets the minimum recommended systems requirements for DaVinci Resolve, and including processor, RAM and graphics card specifications, and update DaVinci Resolve to the latest version to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements, and update your operating systems to the latest version as well. And to optimize DaVinci Resolve settings, we have to experiment with different render cache settings like Smart User and clear the render cache periodically to free up space, and use proxy media for larger and complex projects to reduce the load on your system, and adjust the timeline resolution to a lower settings if your system struggles with playback of high resolution footage, and lower the preview resolution to improve playback performance. So that's how you can fix DaVinci Resolve not responding or crashing problem. So see you in the next video, guys.